Welcome to English Literature, UGC NET. Here we are going to discuss most important questions for UGC NET exam. I hope this session will be helpful for you. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to like and share the video. Let's start. First question. In Paradise Lost, Satan's famous line, "Better to reign in hell than serve in heaven," appears in A. Book I, B. Book 2. C. Book IV, D. Book V. Right answer is option A, Book I. Next question. Which novel by George Eliot deals with the intellectual and spiritual growth of a woman in Victorian England? A. Adam Bede. B. Middlemarch. C. The Mill on the Floss. D. Silas Marner. Right answer is option B, Middlemarch, Tarankan. Next question. Identify the text in which the term cultural materialism became central to literary criticism. A. The Country and the City. B. Culture and Society. C. Political Shakespeare. D. Keywords. Right answer is option C, Political Shakespeare, Tarankan. Next question. Who translated Kalidasa's Shakuntala into English? A. William Jones. B. Edwin Arnold. C. R.C. Dutt. D. Max Muller. Right answer is option A, William Jones. Next question. An essay on criticism by Alexander Pope advocates A. Romantic subjectivity. B. Imitation of classical forms and restraint. C. Realism and naturalism. D. Feminist poetics. Right answer is option B, imitation of classical forms and restraint. Next question. Statement I. The Pre-Raphaelite Brotherhood was against the industrial modernity of Victorian art. Statement 2. They sought inspiration from medieval and early Renaissance art. A. Only I is true. B. Only 2 is true. C. Both I and 2 are true. D. Both I and 2 are false. Right answer is option C, both I and 2 are true. Next question. The Harlem Renaissance was primarily associated with A. Native American oral traditions. B. Jewish immigrant narratives. C. African American cultural revival. D. Latin American exile poetry. Right answer is option C, African American cultural revival. Next question. Which critic emphasized reader response over authorial intention? A. Wolfgang Iser. B. T.S. Eliot. C. Lionel Trilling. D. Clint Brooks. Right answer is option A, Wolfgang Iser. Next question. Which Indian English novel critiques both colonialism and gender oppression through its female protagonist? A. The Guide. B. Clear Light of Day. C. The God of Small Things. D. Untouchable. Right answer is option C, The God of Small Things, Tarankan. Next question. Statement I. Dr. Faustus by Marlowe presents a Renaissance conflict between faith and knowledge. Statement 2. Faustus is punished for his desire to acquire magical powers. A. Only I is true. B. Only 2 is true. C. Both I and 2 are true. D. Both I and 2 are false. Right answer is option C, both I and 2 are true. Next question. The Madwoman in the Attic was co-authored by A. Sandra Gilbert and Susan Gubar. B. Elaine Showalter and Toral Mua. C. Ellen Sixhouse and Lou Serigare. D. Judith Butler and Gayatri Spivak. Right answer is option A, Sandra Gilbert and Susan Gubar. Next question. The term negative capability was coined by A. Percy Bysshe Shelley. B. Samuel Taylor Coleridge. C. William Wordsworth. D. John Keats. Right answer is option D, John Keats. Next question. In an introduction by Kamala Das, the speaker primarily A. mourns a lover's betrayal. B. defends her right to write in English. C. criticizes colonial education. D. celebrates traditional roles of Indian women. Right answer is option B, defends her right to write in English. Next question. The Battle of the Books by Swift was written as a satire on A. religion and piety. B. politics and monarchy. C. the quarrel between ancients and moderns. D. women and marriage. Right answer is option C, the quarrel between ancients and moderns. Next question. Who said, language bears the burden of representation? A. Stuart Hall. B. Judith Butler. C. Edward Said. D. Homi Bhabha. Right answer is option A, Stuart Hall. Next question. Who wrote the poem Digging, reflecting on generational shifts and poetic identity? A. Seamus Heaney. B. Derek Walcott. C. Philip Larkin. D. Ted Hughes. Right answer is option A, Seamus Heaney. Next question. In which novel does the character Heathcliff appear? A. Tess of the D'Urbervilles. B. Wuthering Heights. C. Jane Eyre. D. The Tenant of Wildfell Hall. Right answer is option B, Wuthering Heights, Tarankan. Question for you. Who wrote White Sargassoti as a prequel to Jane Eyre? A. Angela Carter. B. Jean Rhys. C. Margaret Atwood. D. Doris Lessing. Submit the right answer below in the comment box. Thanks for watching till end. Stay tuned. We will meet tomorrow with another important session. Subscribe the channel and like the video.